Hey guys, so if you have the Samsung fridge and Samsung refrigerator 41 error and you want to know how to completely like get rid of it, this is the thing that you need to do. So in their case, simply means the family hub needs to be rebooted. To clear this error code, turn the system off using the power switch found on the inside top right of the door. After a few moments have passed, turn the family hub back on. That's it. So that's what you want to do. That's how you're going to clear the 41 or 42 error on your Samsung fridge. And that's how it's possible to be done. So this is that you just found on the internet. Maybe it's going to help you fix the issue also for you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.